Welcome back to Aaron's Daily Thoughts. Today's subject is clean up your life. If you ever feel like your life is just in chaos, like there's so many things that you want to get done, but you never feel like you have the time to do them, or if you just feel like every day it's just a mess, your schedule just changes so much and everything is just mixed around and jumbled, and you just feel like there's so much going on. If you ever feel like that, I want you to stand back. Take a look at the spaces where you live. Because chances are, if you have a messy environment, then it can get messy up inside your head. One of the best ways to clean up your life, to become more organized, is to start with your room. The space you live every single day. Clean up your room. And it doesn't even have to just be your room. If your room is already clean, what about your car? Is your car clean? A lot of people's cars is where they dump their junk, and it's just a dumping ground for, whatever stuff they don't want to take care of right then. And the messier your environment is, the harder it is for you to think, the harder it is for you to make priorities in your life and create a schedule, create organization in your life. When your environment is messy, it affects your brain. So clean up your environment. Start with your room. Organize your room. And even if your room is already organized, go deeper. Go inside the drawers. Go inside, every drawer that is, it seems like it's neat on the outside, but on the inside, it's all a mess. It's all jumbled. You just shoved it in there to keep it clean. Sometimes the stuff on the inside is the stuff that's really getting you. My point is, if you change your environment, it can help change what's on the inside, and vice versa. If you change what's on the inside, you can change everything around you. You attract what you create in your mind and in your heart. Deep down within, in your subconscious, your way of thinking is how your life happens. The things you attract into your life, the opportunities you take, everything all adds up. So the life you live is the life that you put the energy out to live. Karma is real. The energy you put out every single day, the energy you put out from your thoughts, creates the life that you are living right now. It attracts specific people into your life. It attracts events. Things happen because of the energy that you put out. Now, there are some things that are outside of your control, and you don't need to worry about those things. However, there is one thing you can control, and that is how clean your life is. How clean is your room? If it's not clean, clean it. How clean is your car? If it's not clean, then clean it. Clean up your life, and I promise you, it will help you see more clearly. It will help you make priorities and create organization in your life where once was chaos. So clean up your life. It's simple, but it's powerful. That's all I have for today. See ya.